Alright, we're at the Ocean Place Resort here in Long Branch, New Jersey. And this is their service elevator. It's a little different from the passengers. But it actually has an indicator. I know, pretty shocking, right? If you watch my videos of the passengers, you see that they have no indicator, which is weird. These actually have an indicator. Let's go to basement. Bit slower than passengers. Let's go to 12. Here we go up. So, the passengers actually had no floor indicator whatsoever. This one, for some reason, does. Typical service elevator. 111. Monitor TR fixtures, capacity 4,000 pounds, car 4. The lobby button is brass. That's the only button on this entire thing that's brass. Oh, and it lights up blue, okay. Get Adam's call buttons, car 4. That'll be it.